I'm just no hillbilly. There's not much to me. I'm just a good old boy. But guess what? I'm coachable. I am very coachable, and I know a good deal when I see it. And I'm telling you, the amount of money I invested in myself in this program, if I knew when I first started what I know now, man, I would give them way more than what I gave. I mean, it's mind-boggling. Like she was saying, I'm in the 30-something thousand for April. Mind-blowing, and my goal was $10,000. That was my goal. Well, I hit 10. I said, well, heck, I'm just going to jump it up to 20. And now, next thing you know, I hit 20, and I said, what the crap is going on here? I said, heck, I'm going for 30. Bingo, 30. And I'm telling you, folks, we're not here to sell you anything, but we're here to show you what you can do with your life with this program. You just don't understand. Because I'm going to tell you, all of this digital part of it, all of the training that you see on your screen, and then you throw in a bunch of live interactive training that, I mean, my gosh, it just goes on and on and on. And if you don't pick up on this, it's just because you're not paying attention. The program works. It's infallible. It will work every time. I mean, we're proving it. Daryl, living testimony. I got the privilege to talk to Daryl on the phone today. I tell you what, that guy right there, he's just like the rest of the community. He is just a good, ethical, decent person that was a normal, average person, just like most of y'all listening to us right now. And he took a hold of the reins and he took care of the situation that he had in front of him. And you've got the opportunity to do it for yourself. And that's what we want you to do. I don't care who brought you in here, get back with them and get that life changed. And if you think it's hard, digital marketing, those two words scared me to death. I said, what? I didn't know what I said, well, look, I had a furniture store working myself to death. Too much work. No, this stuff is heavy. And so I turned that over to my daughter and son-in-law. And I said, now, what am I going to do? Because I'm not going to depend on some little Social Security check or anything like that to survive on. There's no guarantee those will be around ever. You know, a flip of a vote and it's gone. So what I wanted was something for now, something for later. But get this, I had no idea the now would be that good. And the reason it is because of this program right here. And if you think you can't do it, get out of your head. And another thing, if you're broke, that's not a choice right now. But if you stay broke, that's a choice. You know, I mean, you can dig down in there. And if you want to change your life like Daryl, me, all of us, Tim, Michelle, I mean, you know, Michelle, I mean, look at her story. Unbelievable. I mean, she's just a phenomenal person. And what is she doing? She's sharing this knowledge with us, and we get to sit here and listen. I bombard her lives nearly every day because I love to hear her story. I learn something from her every single day. And that's why I go, not just to learn, but I want to pick up value. I want to be able to tell you people what you can do. And don't ever underestimate yourself. Because I'm telling you, I have amazed myself on many times. And it's all because of this. I'm serious. You know, you guys, if you're on the fence, get off of that thing. It's time to go. I mean, you're getting in on the ground floor of the best thing that's happened to online businesses in decades. And I've looked at all the other programs. Believe me, I looked for a year before I landed here. And the reason I stopped here was tech friendly, no monthly expenses, and the price was, gosh, compared to the other ones, this is nothing. And then the main ingredient, this community. You'll never look around wondering, what do I do next? you don't have to worry about that. So much support, so much. You've got every tool that you need to do what Daryl's doing, what I'm doing, even what Michelle's doing. You will have all of those tools. But let me tell you the secret. If you've got a ditch to dig, the shovel's laying there. If you don't pick that shovel up, the ditch is not going to get dug. So grab a hole, make yourself happy. You deserve it. Don't short yourself. Just get in here with us. And I mean, hey, this is the first time in a long time that I can say I have a job that I dearly love and I have fun. These people are fun. Go Cowboys, Michelle. You know what I'm saying? And we can't forget about
I was waiting for that. There you
But
go.
you know, sorry, Tim, if you're on here. No offense, man. But anyway, go Cowboys and go you. Do not sell yourself short. You deserve everything that we are getting. And you've got the same opportunity that we had. And there's nothing stopping you but you. So just get with whoever brought you in here, say, hey, let's go, you know, and change your life. It's not undoable by any stretch of the imagination because
That's my customer, y'all. That's my customer, y'all. I just had to say that. That's my customer, y'all.
look at Mayfa. I love that woman. I'm gonna tell you what, if it wasn't for Mayfa, I don't know. I love her so much. She's such a good person. If you turn Mayfa inside out, she would be prettier on the inside than she is out. And she's beautiful on out. I mean, you know, I'm serious. She's just a phenomenal person. And just like all of you, all of these people in the community, we're not working against each other. We're working together. And man, together we are unstoppable. So join the family. Come on and be with us. I mean, you deserve it. And I'll just shut up now. I didn't mean to put anybody to sleep, but thank y'all for having me. And Daryl, thanks for the conversation today, my man. I appreciate you. I know where Daryl's hometown is. I've been there. I mean, what the heck? But anyway, thank y'all so much. I really appreciate you. And I appreciate this program. I really do. I appreciate it to no end. It's just, it's almost, I mean, you know, that's so too good to be true. I hear it all the time. Y'all know that's too good to be true. Hey, buckle up, Buttercup, because it's true. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. So just grab a hold and come join us. We will adopt you into our family in a heartbeat, you know. So anyway, thank y'all.